Hopie learns the parts of the body.
A game, said Hopie, wiggling her little nose. It's called Hopie Says, and it's all about me. Hopie says, touch your head, she giggled, patting her own head. My head helps me think and dream. Now, Hopie says, point to your eyes. Hopie pointed to her big brown eyes. My eyes help me see all the beautiful colors in the world. Hopie says, find your ears, she said, gently tugging on her ears. My ears help me hear sweet songs and my friends' laughter. What's next? Hopie says, show me your mouth. Hopie opened her mouth in a happy O shape. My mouth helps me sing, talk, and taste yummy snacks. Hopie says, wiggle your fingers. Hopie wiggled all 10 of her fingers. My fingers help me build tall towers and hold my favorite teddy bear. Now for a tricky one. Hopie says, pat your tummy. Hopie patted her tummy with a soft rub. My tummy tells me when it's time for a delicious lunch. Hopie says, stomp your feet. Hopie stomped her little feet on the ground, making a soft thump-thump sound. My feet help me run, jump, and dance all around. You did it, cheered Hopie. You know all the parts of my body. Now you can play Hopie Says with your friends too. Hopie gave a big stretch, reaching her arms up high. From my head to my toes, I'm happy to be me, she said with a yawn. It was time for a nap after all that playing.
Hopie learns the parts of the body.
Subscribe Hopie and friends.